Welcome today in front of me OPPO Reno 5 Lite, and I'll show you how to enable or disable the Google Feeds on this device. So in my case, the Google Feeds are activated. Just to turn it off, swipe with the finger here to the left and go to the settings on the right upper corner. Tap to the icon and go to the settings. Now just tap here to the general option, and here you got the discover switcher. Just tap it once to deactivate the switcher, and as can you see right now, my Google Feeds just turned off. Just to activate it again, tap here by the same steps, make that tap here on the discover switcher, and as can you see right now, your Google Feeds are activated yet. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.